Welcome back to the Price of Business. I'm your host, Kevin Price, talking to you about you and your business. I'm going to spend some time with Salim A, and he's with a great organization called NAPA that I'm involved with and friends of, and really love the work that they're doing, and all of their members are committed to a level of professionalism. You can really see that. And Salim is a financial advisor and a managing partner with Nathani and Associates. And do want to mention you can learn more about him at ameripriseadvisors.com/Salim, salim.x.nathani, which is Nathani. And better still, the number there at the office, 713-979-2300. Salim, welcome to the program. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, Kevin. Thank you very much for inviting me to the program.
I know it's got to be shocking to you. I know it's shocking to me because it just seemed like yesterday, we were taking down the holiday decorations, and here we are already in the middle of the first quarter of 2015, which means dealing with our taxes is right around the corner as well. And so, what's great about a more sophisticated financial advisor like yourself is that you are able to bring so much more than just saving money now, but also creating entire tax strategies. Talk a little bit about that.
So, Kevin, I own a boutique wealth management firm in Sugar Land where we specialize in providing tax, investment, and financial planning advice to our clients who are mostly in healthcare and oil and gas industry. So they think of us as a personal CFO. And so when we do tax planning work for our clients, we typically find that there are three areas of tax planning that are most overlooked, particularly contributions or maximizing contributions to pre-tax plans, contributions to post-tax plans, and then not paying specific attention to deductions, itemized deductions that they can take advantage of.
Yeah, very interesting. How long have you been in practice?
Kevin, I've been practicing for 14 years now, and been doing this with Ameriprise for that term. And I don't know if you know this or not, but I am also these days known as Professor Nathani. I teach finance at University of Houston.
Very good, very good. Talk a little bit about, what you're seeing going on from a financial perspective. What are some things that concern you about people when it comes to preparing for their overall financial picture and particularly their tax situations?
Well, as you know, Kevin, most people are, in the predicament of planning for themselves as pension plans become a thing of the past and government services such as Social Security continue to be reduced. So you have to plan for yourself, but there is a smart way to do that. And we have a saying that we want our clients to be tax planners, not just taxpayers. And what we mean by that is taking advantage of maximizing their contributions to retirement plan, first of all, such as a 401k or a 403b employer-sponsored plans. And we find that most people don't do that. And sometimes they don't take advantage of free money, such as matching contributions that are provided. And then specifically looking at the plan documents to look at, some of the provisions that allow for a lot more than what's generally known in public, just such as making post-tax contributions to retirement plan.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're in the Sugar Land area, but are your clients exclusively in Sugar Land, or do you have clients throughout the greater Houston area? Where do you kind of see the area you work?
Oh, well, we are located in Sugar Land, but our clients are all over the place. I have clients, all over Houston, and some of our clients are also nationwide. I have clients in 5 different states and a couple of different countries. We have some expat as our clients as well.
Excellent. That's excellent. So when you get a new client, first of all, how do you typically get a new client? I would assume referrals are a big part of that strategy.
Absolutely, Kevin. 98+% of our clients come to us through referrals. And basically that's because our clients are our best advocates. They tell their friends and folks that they care about as to what type of planning is being done for them. And really, it intrigues those people saying, wait a minute, am I not being smart about my planning, particularly when it comes to tax planning for their personal situation?
Yeah, so absolutely. And when you get that new client, how does that initial consultation begin? What exactly do you want to cover?
Well, typically what we do is we listen. We listen to our prospective clients' concerns and needs, and then we have a process by which we do what we call intake of their information, and try to assess where they are currently. So a typical conversation will be depending upon an individual family situation, things that concern them the most: retirement, kids' education, tax planning. A lot of our clients, particularly physicians and or consultants in oil and gas industry, are concerned about rising taxes, and so they want to make sure that they maximize their contributions and or tax savings. Yeah,
Salim A has been our guest. He's a financial advisor with a great company called Ameriprise Advisors, and his number is 713-979-2300. And he's with a great group called NATOD, and I love that organization and delighted that they introduced you to me. And thanks again for being with us.
Thank you so much for the invitation. I hope your listeners got a lot out of this.
You bet. All right, so when we come back, much more for you. Do want to remind you, best content here, including this interview, will be found over there at the national news website, usdailyreview.com. While there, make sure you like it on Facebook, follow it on Twitter, and you're listening to The Price of Business.